How to block emails on Yahoo. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can block emails on your Yahoo account. So, first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar type in yahoo.com. Now, log into your Yahoo account. Now, once you've logged into your Yahoo account, simply go to mail. And now let's say you want to block this email right over here. So what you have to do is simply open the mail. And now, right over here, you'll see an option where it shows three dots. So simply tap on it. And now you'll see the option block sender. So simply click on it. And now if you want, you can block all the future emails. And if you want, you can also delete all existing emails from this mail address. So click on OK. And now it'll also delete all of the conversations you have with this email. So that is basically how you block someone or you block email on Yahoo. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.